let's go.
Hands up.
Hello, Anna.
Hello, Joe.
Hello, hello, here comes Joe. Grab the parcels, now let's go. Hello, hello, Ozzy do our deliveries to you. Hands up. Let's make a sign.
You sign.
A sign to say, hands up. Dizzy, Dizzy, Dizzy. Hello, hello, here is Joe. Hello, hello, Ozzy do deliveries to you. Hands up. Let's make a sign. A sign to show. Thank you. Thank you, Joe.
Oh, hello. I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Working hard, we're very busy. Together, we visit town and country, making friends with every delivery. Now, how do I get to the music?
Why don't you try our new car delivery service at Dizzy Deliveries? Keep forgetting things? Why not get your head checked? Get your free robot upgrade today.
I just want a good song, Ozzy.
Hello, Joe.
Oh, hello, Aisling.
Ready for a delivery?
Yes.
Today, Joe, you will be delivering a microphone, a guitar, and a secret prize to the radio station. And remember, wherever you go, there will always be someone to help you.
Hello, Dizzy Deliveries. We have something to say. Can you help us today?
Juanita and Ali are waiting for you, and they will help you with your deliveries.
Great, let's go. Oh, you wait here, Ozzy. We don't want you interfering with the radio signals.
Hands up. Hands up.
And then I'm going to get you to push them up. How about that?
Where's Joe?
Where is Joe? There he is.
There it is. Joe, come here.
Let's go in this way.
Yeah, you go. Where's Joe?
Ah!
Joe, stop! Joe, stop! Come here! Joe. Joe, stop!
Time.
Joe, stop!
There's some sunshine here, then we have some thundery showers here, some mist, some fog. It's all very confusing.
Good idea, Ozzy. Let's check the weather.
Will I bring my jacket? I guess I'll bring my jacket.
Look, Ozzy. Joe's on the television.
And I will be ready for anything. That's it for the moment.
Joe, that way! That way!
Oh,
Joe.
hello, Ali. Hello, Juanita.
Hello, Joe. Joe,
We're back on air in 3 minutes and Juanita needs a microphone.
Joe,
Microphone?
where's my microphone?
My first delivery!
Run!
Wait here! Oh.
Come here. Open it. What?
Hey,
Oh,
where is it?
got it!
And just in time.
The microphone is ready.
When the red light comes on, we're on the radio.
Let's love sign. Radio. Radio. You sign. Radio. Good. Radio.
Now, we need to get some headphones. This way. Now, these headphones are for you and these are for me. Oh,
Open the door.
something's blocking it.
And now, here's one of my favorite songs by Sylvia and Friends called The Morning Song. Enjoy!
Good morning, friends. It's a brand new
It's nice to pretend I'm on the radio.
and stretch up high.
Do you hear that? Oh my goodness. Joe's on the radio.
Hands up, hands down. Stomp your feet. Now turn around. Hands up.
Joe, open the door.
I'm on the radio. Oh.
Yes. Okay, hurry.
I was on the radio and we were live and this, come on. Was I good on the radio?
You were fantastic. Our musical guest is about to arrive.
Music!
Yes.
Let's love sign. Music. Music. You sign. Music. Good. Music.
Our musical guest is here. Wait here.
Welcome. Hello. Welcome.
This is Julia Maria.
Hello, Julia and Maria.
Hello, Anita.
Take a seat.
Would you play some music for us?
I'd love to, but I don't have my guitar.
A guitar. My second delivery. Oh, wait here. Oh.
Joe.
A guitar.
Wow!
Joe,
Yes?
the guitar is small.
Too small? Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing. But there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy,
Wow, this is perfect! Thank you!
You're welcome.
And welcome back to the show, everybody.
Hello.
I am joined in the studio today by my lovely co-presenter, Juanita, and musical guest, Julia Maria. Are you ready?
Yes.
And I'm on the back foot lately, and I've decided that I don't mind. Let the others decided that I don't care. I'll walk the race at my own pace, and fate can find me there. Oh,
Wow! Now, everybody, we are off air.
Let's love sign. Off. Off. You sign. Off. Good. Off.
Juanita, are you ready to announce the winner of the secret prize?
Yes.
Okay, Joe.
My delivery. Wait here.
Yeah.
Juanita, the secret prize.
Wow.
Will you help me open it?
Yes.
Okay. Ah, this is my delivery device. Do you know who the winner of the prize is?
Me.
Yes, and you are going to help me make my deliveries.
Yay! Thank you, Joe. You're so nice.
You're all done.
Yeah.
Did you enjoy your prize, Juanita?
Yes.
Whoa!
Now it's time to go. Bye.
Bye, Joe. Whoa! There he goes. Back to the radio center. Let's go.